Do you know how to cancel your car insurance? If not, you're in the right place. We're diving into the ins and outs of car insurance cancellation, addressing queries you didn't even know you had. It's more than just a call or a click. There are deadlines, potential fees, refunds, and even consequences. Whether you're selling your car or have unfortunately had an accident, we've got you covered. Stick with us to learn how to cancel your car insurance in a step-by-step manner. Canceling your auto insurance isn't as complex as it seems. It's all about following a few simple steps, and voila, you're all set. Let's break it down. First things first, you need to get in touch with your insurance agent or the customer service department of your insurance company. They're your go-to people for a smooth cancellation process. Be prepared for them to ask you the reason for your cancellation, and remember, honesty is the best policy here. They might even offer you a better deal to keep you on board. Next, it's time to review your policy. This is crucial because it gives you a clear understanding of any potential cancellation fees, refund procedures, or even the existence of a cooling off period during which you can cancel your policy without any financial penalties. You'll also want to check if there's a requirement for a written notice of cancellation. Knowledge is power, and this step ensures you're fully equipped to navigate the cancellation process. Now, let's talk about the written notice. More often than not, insurance companies require a written notice for cancellation. And it's not as daunting as it sounds. It's basically a formal declaration stating your intention to cancel the policy. You'll need to include your name, policy number, and the date when you want the cancellation to take effect. And remember to keep a copy for your records. If you're canceling your auto insurance online, the process is pretty much the same. You'll need to log into your account. Look for the cancellation option and follow the prompts. And if you're doing it over the phone, make sure to jot down the name of the person you're speaking with along with the date and time of the call. Regardless of how you cancel, always ask for a confirmation of your cancellation, be it an email, a letter, or a cancellation document. This is your proof, your safety net, and it saves you from any potential misunderstandings down the road. Remember, always get a confirmation of your cancellation. When it comes to canceling your car insurance, timing is everything. Now you might wonder, why is timing so important? Well, each insurance policy has its own set of deadlines for cancellation. It's crucial to know these dates, as missing them could result in continued charges or even a lapse in coverage. Let's move on to early cancellation. While it might seem like a good idea to cancel your policy early, especially if you've sold your car or no longer need the coverage, it's not always that straightforward. Early cancellation could mean you're hit with fees, which can sometimes be substantial, depending on your provider and the terms of your policy. In fact, some insurance companies charge a percentage of your remaining premium, while others have a flat cancellation fee. So before you decide to pull the plug early, make sure you're fully informed about all the potential costs. So always be aware of the deadlines and potential early cancellation fees. There are some special scenarios where you might need to cancel your car insurance. Let's dive into a few of them. Firstly, you might be selling your car. In this case, it's important to cancel your insurance policy to avoid paying for a vehicle you no longer own. Remember, the new owner will need to secure their own insurance. Next, what if you're involved in an accident? Following an accident, you might want to switch insurers or cancel your policy. Just be sure to fully understand the implications of this decision, as it could affect your future premiums. Now let's consider a totaled car. If your vehicle is deemed a total loss by your insurance company, you'll likely need to cancel your insurance policy. But Again, tread cautiously. Ensure you've received your payout before you pull the plug on your policy. Finally, you may find yourself wondering if you can cancel your car insurance temporarily. Maybe you're leaving the country for a few months, or your car is in the shop for a lengthy repair. While it's possible to suspend or reduce coverage in some cases, not all insurers allow this. It's essential to check with your provider before making any changes. In all these scenarios, it's crucial to communicate with your insurance company. Understand the potential consequences of cancellation and whether any fees apply. And remember, driving without insurance isn't just risky, it's illegal. In any scenario, always ensure you're well informed and making the best decision for your situation. Now that you know how to cancel your car insurance, let's talk about the potential consequences. It's important to understand that while canceling your insurance might feel like a relief, especially if you're on a tight budget or no longer need the vehicle, it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Canceling your car insurance leaves you without coverage. If you're still driving, this is a major risk. Even if you're not, unexpected events can occur like theft or damage from natural disasters. It's crucial to remember that driving without insurance is also a legal offense in many areas, which can lead to hefty fines or even worse, jail time. One key point to remember is that if you cancel your insurance without having a new policy in place, you may be seen as a high-risk customer. This can lead to increased rates when you do decide to get insurance again. This is because insurance companies view lapses in coverage as a sign of irresponsibility, which in their eyes makes you more likely to make a claim. In addition, if you cancel your policy before its expiration date, you might be subject to cancellation fees. These fees can vary, so it's important to check with your insurer before making the decision to cancel. While canceling your car insurance can seem like a good short-term solution, it's important to consider the long-term effects. If you're selling your car or no longer need insurance, make sure to have a new policy in place before canceling the old one. If you're looking to save money, consider shopping around for a new policy, rather than canceling outright. In summary, canceling your car insurance can have serious consequences, from legal troubles to increased future rates. It's important to be aware of these potential issues and to make an informed decision based on your personal circumstances. Remember, canceling your car insurance has its implications. Always make sure you're prepared and informed before making such a decision.